So in the Python lecture series, we have completed a lot. We have covered up to the break and continue execution that could be done using the Python. So today we are going to talk about how to write try and except blocks in Python. So first, what is the need of try and except? So as the name suggests, if you go for the English vocabulary, you can understand try means you are trying something. And if you're trying that what you are trying to do, if that fails, then you will go to the except block. So you are doing something, you are checking whether you have are doing that is correct or not. If you can successfully do it, then this particular block that will be executed. If there is any fault in this particular block, then except will be executed. So what could be the fault? Suppose you are dividing a number with the zero value. So the result will be infinity. So there is a problem, right? Suppose I have given two values, A is 10 and B as 0. So the result will be an infinity value. It's not an integer value, right? It's not a proper integer value. So our program should first try the try block and then check whether the result value is an integer value or not. It found that it's not. So then it moves to the execution from this particular line to over here. And in the except block, it finds that there is a print option is there and it is printing it. So now just check how the program executes. So this is saved in the desktop. So I'll be going to the command prompt, then take it to the desktop, right? Then Python prog10.py, that is the name of the code. So just check over here prog10.py. Now just check it has moved to the exit block, right? Now just make this value as suppose 2. So now the result is an integer value and I am saving it. So after the saving, let's again run the same program once again. Now just check, it gives the value of 5, that is 10 divided by 2, that is the 5. Okay, in this code we can check whether we are moving to the try block for the 0 value, yes or no. So we told what I told you that, so if this is the condition of the A and B integer, then it first check whether the result is a uh, integer value or not, but where it is taking in the phone number of line. But suppose here I am writing another statement, that is print, that is in try block. So just I am writing this thing to give you the understanding that it calculates the result value in this particular line now, but it first goes to the try block. Whatever be the situation, it first comes over here in the try block, then checks the result over here, that what you want to do. Suppose you want an integer value as an input, but you have given a string. Suppose I have given hello world as a string, but I wanted any type of integer as an input. So whether the total thing is going to the try block or not, that you cannot understand when the b value is 0, right? If the b value is 0, our result was dividing by 0 only. So we know that we are going to the except block. But if we want to check whether we are first checking in the try block, then as the result over here becomes infinity, then we are moving to the except block. That is the program execution. So to understand that, I have given one print statement over here to check whether we are moving to the try block or not. So it's already saved. So just run that program once again. So just check. So it first go to the try block. So it is printing this particular thing in try block. Then it calculates the result over here and finds the result is not an integer, it's an infinite value. So it's not executing this particular statement, but it is moving to the except block, and then in the except block it finds the print value is this, right? So it is printing this thing. So this is how try and except block executed. I hope you have understood this thing. So Hope you are going to follow my Python lecture series, and there are other lectures available that are related to my research in my YouTube channel. Please follow them and happy studying.